Hey guys, I will show you today how to add an authentication layer to your custom GPT. To do so, what you have to do, you have to go on GPT Auth App, okay, and you have to create a new account. I have already an account, but if you want to create an account, it's very simple. You have to go on gptauth.app/sign up. Okay, I will provide you the link on the description. Okay, I have already an account. I will sign in. This is my fake mail for the video. Up and my password. Nice. I already have a lot of GPT Auth application because I did some tests before recording this video. I will show you how to create a new app. It's very simple. You have to click on New App, and then you give a name to your GPT Auth app. I will give, I don't know, YouTube demo. I don't know. And then I have some instruction to follow in order to add these authentication layers on my custom GPT. How it works? It's very simple. Okay. If you have already, a custom GPT, you can start right away to add this instruction. Okay, but if you don't have already a custom GPT, I suggest you to first create your custom GPT and add some values. What I will do, I will create one from scratch. Okay, and I will go and configure, and I will give a name, but let's say review landing pages. Okay, it's just for the demo. Okay, description, I don't know. It's GPT for reviewing landing pages. That's nice. Voila. Then you have to provide some instruction to make your GPT to make it work. Okay, but I don't know what could be instruction for this. Like, I will just put instruction. We don't care for this demo, but here you have. Just to say that you have to put your instruction first, okay, and then when your GPT works, you can add the Auth layer, okay. Then I can come back on GPT Auth on my app. I will copy this, okay, and I have to put this at the end of my instruction. At the end of your instruction, as I say, okay, I will put it here. Okay, if we read that, it's very simple. It's a prompt that will act as a security prompt, okay, a safeguard prompt. The purpose of this prompt is to protect your ChatGPT by adding these authentication layers. Then what I have to do is configure your GPT. I have to create an action. Okay, I will create an action, and I have to copy paste these inside the schema. Okay, and then I have to copy paste my API key. Okay, be careful, select bearer and API key, okay, and then you paste your API key on this input, and then you can save. Alors, Yes, that's very strange, okay? Because I have to switch my internet connection to make it work. I don't know why. I have an issue. Now, if you have the same issue, try to change your connection, okay? I'm connected to my phone currently. I was connecting to my box before. And if you want to set this API key, it's very strange. It's work only on my phone connection. I don't know why. Okay, donc I will redo it. API key, mirror, save. Okay, and then I can click on save. I will online me. Okay, no, let's try it. Okay, now I have my authentication layer. I have a demo, a fake GPT demo, but we don't care. And then I will act as the user of your chat of your custom GPT. Hello. And we will see how it's work. Okay. The custom GPT asked me to provide my email. I will provide him. I will put the same mail, GPT Auth gmail.com. And then I have to perform some action. Okay, I have to allow. Okay, they sent me a code on my Gmail box. Okay, I will open it. GPT Auth. It's not the right one. Yes, I have the code. Okay. Okay, this is the code. Let's say for the demo, let's say I will put the wrong code, okay? 8888. Nah. We will see if it's work, okay? Hello? Is not the right code. Okay, they verify. That's very good, huh? Okay, let's put the right code now. Hello? And it works, and now I can interact with the custom GPT. Let's say, can you review my landing page now? Absolutely. Please provide your URL. That's very good, and it's very simple, as you see, to add a notification layer on your custom GPT. And it's free.